It's story time. The monkey and the juicer. The thing monkeys love the most is juice. Banana juice, mango juice, even rainbow bubble juice. He loves them all. Today, little monkey wakes up craving juice. He runs into the kitchen, and his eyes light up. Wow! A juicer! It's shiny silver, with red, blue, and green buttons that sparkle. It's my juice destiny. Little monkey clasps his hands dramatically. He dashes to the fridge and grabs bananas, milk, honey, and throws them all in. Let's go! Banana milk battle, begin! He presses the red button. Yeah! The juicer starts spinning. Yay yay why. My yummy juice is almost here, but it's spinning kinda slow, boring. What about that blue button? Without a second thought, he pushes it. Yeah! Boom! The juicer blasts like a rocket ship. The lid pops off from a banana missile. Boom! Juice! Explosion! Banana milk pours out like a waterfall. The ceiling becomes a yellow galaxy. The walls drip with sticky goo. And little monkey turns into a juice spirit. His fur is sticky. A half banana hangs from his nose. I just wanted a little juice. He drips. Just then, a voice comes from behind the fridge. Did you mess with the juicer again? It's Mama Monkey. She smiles and pulls out a glass of banana milk, with a straw and a little paper umbrella. The juice you wanted was already in the fridge, my little juice monster. Little monkey grabs the cup and giggles as he sips. Next time I'll ask first. No more button mashing. Moral: if you rush and press everything, you'll wear your juice. Ask first. There might be a surprise waiting.
Whispers on my skin. A gentle breeze rolls softly in. Stars are winking in the sky, slowly closing heavy eyes. Sway with the rhythm of the quiet night. Let your thoughts take soothing flight in the arms of dreams where shadows play. Float away till the break of day. Hum softly above the trees. Their lullabies drift with the breeze. Every